Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my two framed diamond paintings and two work in progress. Christmas in July. So this is a semi full round drill diamond painting kit from Diamond Dots Gingerbread House. If you want more details on this kit and why I called it semi full, you can watch my video review. I completed it a few weeks ago. I purchased it from Michael's for around $20. I did a few modification to this kit. I replaced resin drills with crystals on the window and on the lantern and on the Christmas ornaments, along with the sun. Although this kit came with round resin drills and two colors of AB diamonds. The size of the kit is 11 by 14 inches, and I framed it in a pre-made frame that I purchased from Michael's. There is an event going on, buy one get one free, for these poster frames. As far as I remember, Belmont brand. This frame cost $20, but since I got one more frame for free, I will show it to you later. The total, I would say that the price is $10 because buy one get one free, one is 20 bucks, so you can say $10 each. And that's how it looks from the back. It's a really very laconic, simple brown frame made of compressed wood, but I was kind of surprised that the glass is like real glass. It didn't seem to be acrylic. It is kind of heavy in comparison to other frames that I buy from this company. And you can say right away that other frames have like acrylic piece versus glass, but this one really felt like real glass. So it's a little bit heavy, but because of the size is kind of small, 11 by 14 inches, it is pretty light. So that's how it looks. Just wanted to show you. This is the first framed diamond painting. It sparkles insane, and the camera does not show all the sparkle that I see in real life. And as you can see, neither acrylic nor glass take the sparkle away. I always show you my framed diamond paintings, and the sparkle is always as bright, as vibrant as it is when the kit is without the glass, when it is not behind the glass. So this is the first one. My second kit is the icon of Virgin Mary that I purchased from AliExpress a few months ago. The size is 10 by 14 inches, although the frame size is 11 by 14 inches. It is really very hard to find the frame of the correct size for religious diamond paintings like this. It either needs to be cut, or a frame of a bigger size should be purchased and washi tape used. So if you follow my channel, I showed you the framed icon of Virgin Mary that I purchased from AliExpress along with this kit, and I had to cut the edges and frame it in a white frame, and that one was 10 by 13 inches. This frame is 11 by 14 inches. I bought it as the second frame for free, got it as the second frame for free. But unfortunately, it doesn't look that good because I had to use washi tape. So that's how it looks. The sparkle is great, but well, not great. The sparkle is good, but not as great as, for example, the Diamond Dots kit, because of course AliExpress kits lack quality that we can see in American brands and European ones. But it doesn't look bad, so I'm gonna give it away as a gift to my manager. He is Orthodox, so He really likes these icons. This is the second kit. The third one is my work in progress. This kit is from Craftably. Letter for Santa. Letter for Santa. Beautiful kit. I greatly enjoy diamond painting. I will elaborate on it later once the post review is completed. It is a 18 by 24 inches round drill diamond painting kit. The pasting area is full. This diamond painting kit came with the resin, AB, and crystals. So that's how it's turning out. I am done almost with half of it. I did it here as well. So hopefully I will be able to show you the completed diamond painting soon. And to tell you the truth again, the camera doesn't really show the whole sparkle. It sparkles better and it looks more detailed than it does on the camera. And the last but not the least, this is my daughter's work in progress, snowman. So we really feel like Christmas in July this year, working on Christmas related diamond painting kits. This is a pillow from Diamond Dots. This kit came mostly with resin round drills, but we did add crystals and blue ABs. It came with white AB and blue and yellow AB. That's it. So I really like how my daughter customized this kit. Very sparkly. So this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you soon, guys.